Finding good intraday trading stocks is the most challenging job that an intraday trader face. They do not know which stock to buy, which stock to sell, and which stock to hold, where to enter, where to exit. All these questions are unknown to them. So in this video, I am going to show you my 3 Sureshot ways to find the best intraday trading stocks, and that also within 5 minutes. Just give 5 minutes a day and you can find the best intraday trading stocks for yourself. You can do it yourself. No money to be paid to any advisor. Do not pay any money to any Indore-based advisor. Do not pay money to any broker's plan. So just find the stock yourself, trade and make profit. That's all. So how much profit can you make after you follow my techniques? If you follow my techniques, you can safely earn 1000 rupees per day. And why only 1000 rupees? If you have capital to invest, you can even earn 5000 rupees or 10,000 rupees a day. Check this screenshot. This is a profit screenshot. How my colleague has followed my techniques and has made 9399.95 rupees profit in a single day. Yes, my dear friend, it is a profit of a single day. So I am going to show you 3 Sureshot ways to find the intraday stocks. So all these ways are very unique. All these ways are very simple, and above all, you can make money from all of them. So friends, let me start showing you all those ways. But before that, let me give you a short intro of mine. Hello friends, I am Indrajit Mukherjee from stockmaniacs.net. If you want to grow your wealth from the stock and commodity markets, hit the subscribe button and hit the bell notification icon. You can also send me your stock market related queries through WhatsApp in my number +91 96743 21856. So my Sureshot technique number 1, that is open high-low scanner. So open high-low scanner I have already discussed in my last video. So it is a very simple technique. You need to just find stocks that have made open equal to low or open equal to high. So simple technique, open equal to low means it is a buy. Where it has opened, it has made the low there. And open equal to high means it is a sell. So where it has opened, it has made the high there. And it has never breached the opening high or the opening low. So open equal to low is equal to buy and open equal to high is equal to sell. So this is a simple technique, and I have already given you a link of an open high-low scanner. If you have forgotten, I am once again taking you to the open high-low scanner. So friends, this is the open high-low scanner. Here, first column is the date. Next column is the open of the day, then high, then low, then the last traded price, and then the open status, whether it is open equal to low or it is open equal to high or nothing. If it is not open equal to high or not open equal to low, it will be blank. Then the trade type. If it is open equal to high or open equal to low, it will give you a trade type. Open equal to low, it will give you buy, or open equal to high, it will give you short. And the next column is stop loss, then the target 1, target 2 and target 3. So if you do not have the link of this page, I am going to give you the link in the video description. So from there you can copy and you can go to the open high-low scanner. So let us take some examples. Suppose Britannia. Britannia is open equal to high. So open equal to high means short. This is the stop loss, 3084.80 is the stop loss, and the targets are 3053.95, 3023.10 and 2961.40. So these are the 3 targets and the stop loss. And say IOC open equal to low, so it is a buy candidate. So in IOC, the stop loss is 124.40 and the targets are 125.65, second target 126.90 and the third target is 129.40. So now let us check how these stocks have performed in the live market. Let us go to the charts. First, let us check the Britannia charts. So Britannia is a open equal to high candidate. You can see this is the opening candle. So it has never breached the opening candle. and from there, from the open, it has only fallen. So we can see that Britannia has made low of the day at 3047.45. Let us check what was its target. So Britannia, the first target was 3053.95. So it has well made the first target. So that is the power of the strategy, open high low strategy. Now let us check the IOC charts. So let me open the IOC chart. You can see this is the first candle of the day. IOC has opened. This is the open equal to low. From there it has only went up. So you can say that IOC has made a high of 126.35. Now let us check what was its target. So IOC, the target was 125.65 and 126.90. So we can see that it has once again made the first target. So two stocks we have checked, two stocks the first target hit. So the strategy is too much powerful. So friends, we can see that this open high low scanner is a very simple method. You can find the stocks very easily. You can find the stocks within 5 minutes of time. Just come to the page at 9:20 or 9:25, and from there you can get the list of the day. You can find which stock has made open equal to high and open equal to low, and you will get the stop loss and targets. Simply trade them, make profit, and do not forget to like the video after that. So now the Sureshot way number 2. That is the same open high low technique, but we will use a broker's platform. We will use the Upstox Dart Stock platform for that. I believe that you may be having Upstox platform, Upstox Dart Stock, but if you do not have, but don't worry, I am going to give you the Upstox Dart Stock link in the video description. So from there you can get the Dart Stock platform. Now let us check how the open high low strategy works in the Dart Stock platform. So this is the Dart Stock platform. You can see I am not going to the demo of the Dart Stock platform. I am going to only show you how the open high low strategy works. So you can see there is a tools option. Simply click there, and there is a option called open versus high low. So that means it is calculating the open versus high low. So you can see if you click it, you are getting the stocks that have actually made the criteria. Open equal to high and open equal to low. So now we can see the open equals to low is IOC. We have already seen in the previous open high low scanner. And open equal to high, you can see Britannia, that is also there. So you can see it is the same thing. Whatever you have seen in the open high low scanner, you are getting the same things in the Upstox Dart Stock platform also. You can even change the script categories. Suppose we are already in underlying FNO scripts, so it will find the open high or open equal to low stocks that will be in the underlying FNO scripts. But we can change the categories. We can go to Nifty 50 stocks or Nifty bank stocks or something like that. Suppose Nifty 50 or Nifty bank Nifty stocks. So you can see in the bank Nifty stocks, no script has actually made this criteria. No script has made open equal to high or open equal to low. So you can find out your own categories and you can find stocks from them. So same thing, if you get open equal to low, simple buy the stock, and if you get open equal to high, simple sell the stock. So that is as easy as that. So you can simply check this scanner after say 5 minutes of market open, after at 9:20 or 9:25, and from there you can get your buy and sell list. And these stocks are the best day trading stocks, the best intraday trading stocks, and you can make good amount of profit from these stocks. So friends, we have already seen two Sureshot ways to find the best intraday trading stocks, and that also you can do within 5 minutes of your time. So now my dear friends, the Sureshot way number 3, that is the ticker tape.in screener. And in the ticker tape screener you can find the most volatile stocks that is tradable. So friends, you need volatility to trade. You need the market to go up, you need the market to go down, and if the market is not going up or not going down, it is stagnant, you are not going to make any kind of money. Because in a stagnant market, unless and until it is having some ups and downs, from where you can bring your profit. So you need volatility. So you need to find out the best volatile stocks and you can do that with the ticker tape screener, and that also within 5 minutes of your time. You can find the best stock to trade, the best intraday trading stocks with the ticker tape screener. Let me show you exactly how you can do that. So this is by default the tickertape.in screener. Do not worry, I'll give you the link of the tickertape.in screener in the video description. So from there you can visit the tickertape.in screener. Now this is the basic screener. In the basic screener, you are getting all the stocks. So we will now screen from them. We will find what stocks are the most volatile. So first let me choose Nifty 50. So Nifty 50, now we are getting from all the stocks list, we are now only getting Nifty 50 stocks. So now I am not going to screen using the market cap. So I am taking all the market caps. I am taking large cap, small cap, mid cap. I am not making any kind of screening over there. I'll only use one screener, that is the beta. So from where I'll get beta? Add a filter. In the filter section you will get technical indicators. So click on the technical indicators. In the technical indicators you will get beta. Click on that. So now click on done. So what is beta? Beta is the volatility factor. Beta is how much volatile a stock is according to Nifty. So Nifty's beta is 1. So if a stock is less volatile than Nifty, so its beta will be less than 1. And if the stock is much more volatile than Nifty, so its beta will be more than 1. So I am only interested about the positive beta stocks, because those stocks which are less volatile than Nifty, those will be of no use to me, because I need volatility. I need volatility to trade. Where there is no volatility, that is of no use to me, because that will not going to make money for me. So I will go for high beta stocks. So click on the beta option. You are seeing you are getting all kind of beta stocks. So now I'll just go to high beta stocks. So I'll increase the beta. You can see gradually your stock list will squeeze. I'll increase the beta a bit more. You can see I am only getting Yes Bank. So Yes Bank is the highest beta stock among Nifty 50. Now if I want to increase the beta a bit, with a fine tuning, I have got 3 stocks: State Bank of India, Tata Motors Limited, Yes Bank. So all those stocks are high beta stocks, because you can see the State Bank of India, the beta value is 1.65. So if Nifty moves 1%, State Bank of India will move 1.65%. So Tata Motors Limited, you can see the beta is 1.77. So if Nifty moves 1%, Tata Motors will move 1.77%. And Yes Bank, you can see the beta value is 1.99. So if Nifty moves 1%, Yes Bank Limited will move 1.99%. So either way, if Nifty moves 1% up, these stocks will move upside according to their beta value. And if Nifty moves 1% down, these stocks will move down according to their beta value. So these stocks will always outperform Nifty, whether Nifty goes up or Nifty goes down. Now let us check the performance of these 3 stocks. Let me open the chart of SBIN. SBIN, I have already seen that it is a high beta stock. So let me trade it with a super trend indicator. So super trend is a simple indicator. Everyone has it in their trading platform. Let me trade the SBIN stock with a super trend indicator. So you can see this is the first candle of the day. So the first signal we have got in super trend, that is a buy. So after the buy, you can see you have got a decent rally. So you can make a good amount of money in that trade. After the buy, we have got a short signal. You can see after the short sell signal, the stock has fallen a lot. So once again, you have made good amount of money in the short. So in SBIN, you can make money in both the buy as well as in sell. Now let me open the Tata Motors chart. This is the first candle of the day. You can see we have got a buy signal. Once again, after the buy signal, the Tata Motors stock has moved up, so you can make money over there. After that, you have got a sell signal. So in the sell signal, once again you can see it is a big fall. So once again you can make money in the short. You can make money in both the buy as well as in the short. Now lastly, let us open the Yes Bank chart. So Yes Bank, this is the first candle of the day. After that we have got a signal, it is a buy signal. After the buy signal we can see that the stock has gone up. So you can make decent amount of money over there. Then you have got a sell signal. After the sell signal it has consolidated a bit, but then a sharp fall. So once again you have made good amount of money. Last signal was a buy, but that has not performed well, but that is part of the game. You could exit in small loss. So in these three stocks you have got 6-7 signals, and out of them only one signal is losing signal, but all the other signals are winning signal. So friends, this is the power of these high beta stocks. If you trade them, chances are there that 80% or 85% or 95% of your trades will make money for you. So that is our main motto. Our main motto is making money. So I have shown you how to find the best intraday trading stocks within 5 minutes of your time. Each and every day you can follow the same strategies and you can find the stock for that day. So friends, I have completed today's webinar. If you like today's video, please do not forget to hit the like button. Please also do not forget to share it with your friends, because if you share it, someone else can also be benefited. If you have any queries, just ask me in the comments. I'll try to answer you as early as possible. Friends, thanks a lot for watching this webinar till the end. Bye bye.